Silence. The kind that feels alive, not empty. A soft inhale. HHUH. Light flickers behind closed eyes. A low note of cello begins to hum. Gentle, almost like a heartbeat returning. AFAINT gloss spreads. Golden dust floats in the air. Each particle moves as if breathing. A whisper. Come. I can still feel it. The music rises, strings on the wind blend softly. The light expands, PAINTING the space around. The camera lifts upward. The darkness below fades away. A pulse of light. Like the world takes its first breath again. The sound dissolves into a gentle chime. Ding. Then silence. One last shimmer. Fade to white.